Have you ever wondered how to make money with AI YouTube videos? Today, we're diving into this exciting topic that's catching fire in the digital world. Making money with AI YouTube videos isn't just a trend. It's a revolution in content creation. So, grab your notebook and let's unravel the mystery together. First things first, understanding AI is key. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like having a robot buddy that can think and learn. Now, imagine using that buddy to create awesome videos. That's exactly how to make money with AI YouTube videos. You use AI tools to craft unique and engaging content that stands out. Step 1. Choose your niche. Picking a topic you love is crucial. Whether it's gaming, education, or tech reviews, your passion will shine through. This is the first step in how to make money with AI YouTube videos, as a focused niche attracts a dedicated audience. Step 2. Create unique content with AI. Here's where the magic happens. Use AI tools to generate scripts, create animations, or even compose music. This uniqueness is what will set your videos apart. Remember, making money with AI YouTube videos relies on offering something viewers can't get elsewhere. Step 3. Optimize for SEO. Keywords, like how to make money with AI YouTube videos, should be sprinkled throughout your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This SEO strategy helps your videos get discovered by people interested in making money with AI YouTube videos. Step 4. Monetize your channel. Once you've got a good amount of content and a growing audience, monetizing your channel is your next step. This includes ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Each video that discusses how to make money with AI YouTube videos can also be a tool in making money for you. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Building a community is essential. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and involve your viewers in your content creation process. This engagement not only builds loyalty, but also boosts your visibility. Step 6. Keep learning and evolving. The world of AI is always changing, and staying ahead of the curve is how you continue making money with AI YouTube videos. Keep exploring new AI tools and techniques to keep your content fresh and exciting. In conclusion, making money with AI YouTube videos is all about blending technology with creativity. By focusing on your niche, leveraging AI for unique content, optimizing for SEO, monetizing your channel, engaging with your audience, and constantly evolving, you're setting yourself up for success in the AI-driven YouTube space. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI YouTube videos and start your journey in making money with AI today. If you've got questions or insights on how to make money with AI YouTube videos, drop a comment below.